Look, I don't know how many make money videos you've clicked through and watched at this point, but if you're tired of being stuck and always overthinking every step, this video is specifically what you need. I'm about to walk you through an AI powered side hustle that's been putting an average of $350 in my account every single day for over a few years now. And this whole thing is built around solving simple problems with digital products. You don't need any startup capital. You don't need years of experience, and you absolutely don't need to show your face if that makes you uncomfortable. What you do need is 30 to 90 days of consistent and focused work. Now, here's what separates this from every other video promising you easy money. This isn't some flash in the pan strategy that's going to disappear by next quarter. This is about creating real value for real people using digital products. And the beautiful thing is once you've got this system running, it generates income whether you're actively working or sound asleep. Yes, I'm talking about passive income. So if you're tired of being stuck and overthinking and analyzing too much, you're watching the right video today and in the right place as well. I'm going to walk you through three critical pieces. First, what you should actually be selling. Second, we're going to set up your entire sales system without spending a single penny. And third, I'm going to show you how to actually get buyers in front of your offer. You're going to need 30 to 90 days of consistent, focused effort. I can't say that enough. Not 80-hour weeks, just consistent and focused. And stick around to the end because I'm going to reveal a mistake that almost every beginner makes. It seems so logical on the surface, but it can actually destroy your long-term potential before you even get started. All right, so let's talk about the product. What are you actually going to sell? You have two options, and both of them do work. Option number one is building something yourself. If you're starting from scratch with no clue what to create, it's best to start with an ebook. They're simple, they're quick, and you can knock one out in a single day using AI. I would recommend Claude.ai because it's absolutely brilliant for this kind of writing. Way better than ChatGPT for creating content that sounds natural and flows well. Once you've got your content written, hop into Canva to make it look professional. Canva is completely free, ridiculously easy to use, and packed with lots of good templates that you can choose from. Find a template you like, drop in your content, export it as a PDF, and you've got yourself a sellable ebook. It's that easy. But here's where most people completely screw this up. They go way too broad. They try to create this massive guide that covers everything. The key is solving one very specific problem for one very specific group of people. Instead of everything you need to know about fitness, create something like the 4-week home workout plan for busy parents. Do you see the difference? The second option speaks directly to a specific person with a specific problem, and that is what sells. Option number two is promoting something that already exists, called affiliate marketing. If the idea of creating a product makes you want to run for the hills, affiliate marketing is perfect. There are marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore24, and OfferVault with thousands of products across every niche imaginable. Every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you get a commission, sometimes 20%, sometimes even 50%, sometimes as much as 80% on digital products. Now let's do some quick math. Say you create your own product and you price it at $47. If you sell just 2 copies per day, that's 14 per week, which is $2,600 every single month. For most people, that covers rent or mortgage. And if you're promoting higher ticket products, you need even fewer sales to hit that full-time income. Plus, with digital products, you make it once and you sell it over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches. Here's the bottom line. Do not overthink what to sell. If you're paralyzed trying to figure out what to create, just promote something that already exists. You can always create your own products later. Now, you need somewhere to sell that digital product after you've created it. Most people assume that they need expensive software or have to hire someone to set everything up. Not true. I recommend System.io. because it's completely free, up to 2,000 email subscribers, and handles everything you need, such as the sales page, checkout pages, email marketing, payment processing, and the whole works. Here's how quick this is. Sign up for your free account on system.io. Use a pre-made template for your checkout page. Connect your PayPal or Stripe account and set up a simple welcome email sequence. You can have all of that done in under an hour, even if you've never touched anything like this before. And you won't pay a penny until you hit 2,000 subscribers. And by then, you're going to be already making money. So, yeah. The beauty of digital products is that once this is set up, it runs itself in the background. Someone buys, they get instant access to download the product, and the money hits your bank account. Just like that. All automatically while you're sleeping or doing whatever you want to do. Now, we get to the part where most people hit a wall. You cannot make money without someone to sell to. You need an audience. And in my opinion, YouTube is hands down the best place to build that audience. I'm going to be biased. Yes. First, people on YouTube are actively searching for answers. This is a search-based platform. People aren't mindlessly scrolling. They are deliberately looking for solutions to specific problems. When they land on your video, they are already in a learning mindset and already receptive. Second, video builds trust like nothing else. When people can see you and hear your voice, like you're seeing me and hearing me now, that creates a connection incredibly fast. This makes selling so much easier because they feel like they know you and can relate to you. And if you're camera shy, you can simply use an AI avatar. You can create a digital version of yourself or a completely fictional character. The technology is there, so use it. And so many tools already exist as well. But here's the third reason YouTube is unbeatable. Your content works for you long term. Social media posts on other platforms vanish within 24 hours. YouTube videos can bring you subscribers, leads, and sales for months or even years after you publish them. I know people who are still getting sales from videos they made 3 or 4 years ago. And you're no different. They did the work once and it's still paying them. I hope you're getting some value from this video. I'm not done yet, but I'm going to wrap up now and give you some more ideas. Thank you so much for watching so far. Stick with me. Continue to stick with me. So how do you start? Make videos that solve problems. Look at what's working for other people in your niche. See what videos are getting views and what topics they're covering. Then make your own version with your own spin. After 10 to 20 videos, you're going to start seeing what works for your audience. Then you're going to double down on those topics. But here's the key. Don't try to sell directly in your videos. This is what you're going to do instead. Offer a valuable free resource in exchange for someone's email address. Maybe a checklist, a template, or a mini guide. That's how you turn viewers into email subscribers. Once they're on your list, that's when you build a real relationship with them and eventually make offers to them. Now, here's the mistake that I promised to reveal. And I'm talking about selling on Etsy. I get the appeal. Millions of buyers are already there on Etsy. Just upload your product and start making sales, right? Here's what actually happens though. First, it's brutally competitive on Etsy. If you pick the wrong product in the wrong niche, you're going to struggle to make sales unless you run ads, which as a beginner is a great way to lose money very fast. But let's say that you find a unique product and you start generating sales. Within weeks, you'll have dozens of copycats selling rip-offs of your product for a fraction of the price on Etsy. Your profit margin is going to evaporate and your sales are going to tank. I know because I've sold on Etsy before. I'm still there actually, but I'm not active. This happened to me a few times as well. But the second problem is even worse. You get zero customer data, no email, no way to follow up on Etsy, and no relationship. You're just one anonymous seller in a sea of hundreds of thousands of people. The customer does not know you. They know Etsy. Etsy owns that relationship, not you. Can Etsy work short term? Sure, but it's not sustainable. You need your own platform where you control the pricing, the customer experience, and most importantly, where you own the relationship. So here's what I want you to do next. Step 1, you're going to pick a niche. Don't overthink it. Anything you're interested in can work. Just make sure it's something you won't get bored with after a few weeks. You could also do your own search on YouTube to see what people are searching for and start there. Step 2, you're going to research what others in your niche are doing. What content are they creating? What products are they selling? Browse ClickBank, Digistore24, OfferVault. Use AI or Google to see what products exist right now. And then step number 3, you're going to start a YouTube channel. Study what's working and create your own version. And if you're camera shy, as I said, just use an AI avatar. Most importantly, do not wait until everything feels perfect. Perfection is procrastination dressed up as preparation. You can sort out products and email sequences later. Pick your niche and start creating content today and create that YouTube channel. If you want the complete system laid out step by step, I've got a free guide that gives you 100 digital product ideas you can actually create and sell right now. It has a $27 value, but I'm giving it away for free today. The link will be in the description below. Go grab it now and you'll thank me later. Everyone watching this right now, and I mean everyone, is capable of doing this. Building a business around digital products can give you complete freedom and financial stability. This isn't fantasy. This is what I've done, what thousands of others have done, and what you can do too. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well for more content about building real income with digital products. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video coming up where I'm going to share more ways to make money online outside of the AdSense program. You don't want to miss that video. Trust me. And don't forget to grab the free guide I'm giving away today. Again, the link will be in the description below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.